Hashtag YouTube News Script, Top AI and Tech Stories. Good morning and welcome back to the channel. If you've been paying attention to the tech world lately, you know that major shifts are happening right now that could affect everything from your phone to your privacy online. Today, we're breaking down 3 stories that you absolutely need to know about. So stick around as we dive into what's happening in AI and tech right now. Let's start with what's probably sitting in your pocket right now. Apple is gearing up for one of its biggest announcements of the year at WWDC 2026, and we're already getting details about iOS 27. According to reports, this isn't just another incremental update. Apple has scheduled the first beta release for June 8 of 2026, and it's bringing a significant wave of new features and performance improvements to iPhones across the board. But here's what you're probably wondering: will your phone get it? Apple hasn't released the official compatibility list yet, but based on how these releases typically work, if you're using an iPhone from the last few years, you're probably in the clear. The real excitement here is what these features might be. With AI becoming such a massive focus for every tech company right now, expect iOS 27 to bring some serious artificial intelligence enhancements to your everyday iPhone experience. We'll likely see more details as Apple's WWDC event unfolds, so definitely keep your eyes on this channel for the full breakdown once that happens. Now, let's talk about something that's been quietly reshaping the internet in a very important way. The Take It Down Act is now in full effect, and this one affects basically every major tech platform you use. Here's what's happening. As of last month, tech companies are now legally required to remove non-consensual intimate images within 48 hours of being notified. And yes, that includes AI-generated intimate images as well. If companies don't comply, they're facing real consequences. We're talking financial penalties and even criminal charges. This is huge because it means your favorite platforms have to take action fast or face serious legal trouble. The practical impact here is that if you or someone you know has been targeted with this kind of content, you now have actual legal teeth behind your requests to get it taken down. No more waiting around hoping platforms will do the right thing. They have to now, or they pay the price. It's a significant win for digital safety and privacy rights, and it sets a precedent for how seriously we're taking AI-generated content and its real-world harms. Finally, here's a story that's going to shape the future of artificial intelligence and computing power itself. Google just made a major deal to buy computing power directly from SpaceX. Think about that for a second. Google, one of the world's largest AI companies, is turning to SpaceX for computing resources. What does this tell us? It tells us that the demand for computational power in the AI space has absolutely exploded. This deal is significant because it signals something bigger happening in the industry. We're seeing major tech companies making strategic moves to secure the computing infrastructure they need to build and train AI models. Broadcom, which makes the chips that power a lot of this infrastructure, has been bullish about their outlook too. And all of this seems to be pointing in one direction: companies that can supply the raw computing power are going to be incredibly important moving forward. For Nvidia, which has been the backbone of AI computing for a while now, deals like this one suggest that demand for high-powered chips isn't going anywhere. It's actually accelerating. These kinds of partnerships between tech giants are just the beginning of what's going to be a complete reshaping of how we build and deploy AI systems. So there you have it. Apple's getting ready to bring AI features to your iPhone, governments are cracking down on AI-generated harmful content, and the biggest companies in the world are racing to secure the computing power they need. These 3 stories are connected by one thread: artificial intelligence is moving from something that sounds futuristic to something that's reshaping everyday technology, laws, and business right now. If you want to stay on top of these developments as they happen, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for daily AI updates.